Hey guys, today we are next to BMW X1 E84 and I'm going to show you where to find the brake fluid reservoir over here in this vehicle. So if you need to check the level or fill it up or replace the fluid, you need to know the location first. So after you open the hood, you need to go over here to the left side. This is a left-hand drive vehicle, so this is driver's side, and over here close to the windscreen, there's a plastic cover which you need to remove. There's a rubber holder over here, and there are two plastic locks. So I will start with the plastic lock on this side. Then there's a plastic lock on the other side, and after this you can slide it out from the rubber thing over here and just remove the cover, and over here you will find the brake fluid reservoir. And if you want to open it to fill it up, first you need to clean it. It also said so on the cap. Clean the filter cap before removing. You just don't want any dirt or other contamination inside, and twist it counterclockwise. You don't need to remove this wiring over here because the cap is designed so the sensor, the integrated sensor, and the connector will stay in the correct position. And this is how you access it. And after you are done, you just need to close it tightly, and you need to place the cover back in its place. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.